Moderna Inc. is an American biotechnology company that is based in Cambridge, Massachusetts. The company focuses on drug discovery, drug development, and vaccine technologies exclusively based on messenger RNA, mRNA. Founded in 2010, Moderna initially worked on various scientific and technological challenges to make mRNA therapeutics a reality. This was a new area of research, as before Moderna, no mRNA drug had been approved for use by any regulatory authority. mRNA, which stands for messenger RNA, is a type of RNA molecule that plays a crucial role in biology. It carries instructions from DNA to the cell's machinery, directing it to make proteins. Moderna's approach is to use mRNA to instruct cells to produce proteins that can prevent or fight disease. The company first came to global prominence in 2020 due to its work on a COVID-19 vaccine during the global pandemic. Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine was one of the first to be authorized for emergency use worldwide. Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine uses mRNA to provoke an immune response against the spike protein found on the surface of the SARS-CoV-2 virus that causes COVID-19. The vaccine has been shown to be highly effective in preventing COVID-19. As of today, Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine is its only product that has been approved for use, but the company is researching other potential vaccines and treatments using mRNA technology. This includes potential vaccines for influenza and the respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, among others. In addition to its research and development efforts, Moderna has a manufacturing plant in Norwood, Massachusetts, for the production of its mRNA vaccines. The company is led by CEO Stefan Bancel. Moderna went public in 2018 and is listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol mRNA. Vaccine maker Moderna Inc. said on Wednesday it had signed a memorandum of understanding and a land collaboration agreement to work towards opportunities for it to research, develop and manufacture mRNA medicines in China. Any medicines produced under this agreement will be exclusively for the Chinese people and will not be exported, a spokesperson told Reuters in an email in response to a query. He declined to comment on the size of the deal and did not immediately provide any other details. Chinese media outlet Eatsai reported on Tuesday that Moderna was set to make its first investment in China that could be worth around $1 billion, and that Chief Executive Officer Stefan Bancel was visiting Shanghai. Moderna said in May it was looking for opportunities in China after registering a legal entity in the world's second-largest economy. The company prior to this had no presence in mainland China. It opened an office in Hong Kong last year as part of an Asia expansion. Its expansion into mainland China comes as its revenue growth slows sharply due to waning global demand for its COVID-19 vaccine, the U.S. company's only approved product. Moderna in February forecast a possible net loss for 2023, calling it a transition year before it starts to see sales from experimental vaccines for respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, and flu. Those vaccines, based on the same mRNA platform as its COVID shot, have yet to be filed for regulatory approval decisions. Moderna has said that it was keen to sell its mRNA vaccine to China, but the company and its foreign peers have so far been kept out as Beijing has insisted on using only Chinese-made COVID-19 vaccines for its population. On June 22, 2023, Moderna files for FDA approval of updated COVID vaccine for fall. Moderna on Thursday submitted an application for FDA approval of the biotech company's updated COVID vaccine for the fall. Moderna said the submission is based on the FDA's recommendation last week that vaccine makers update their jabs to target Omicron subvariant XBB.1.5, the dominant strain of the virus nationwide. Moderna and rivals Pfizer and Novavax already began to develop versions of their vaccines targeting XBB.1.5 months before the FDA's recommendation. It looks like the revenue of Moderna will improve in the coming fall.